Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by moving the video into files so you can export audio cleanly. Open Photos, locate the clip, then tap Share and choose Save to Files. Pick a folder you'll remember. Once done, open the Files app and navigate to that folder. Make sure the video plays fully so you know it's complete. This step isolates the file for conversion apps and avoids accidental edits. It's faster than working inside the camera roll when you need just audio. Now use shortcuts to extract audio. Open Shortcuts, tap plus to create or download an extract audio shortcut. Add actions, get file and code media audio only, and save file to your chosen folder. Run the shortcut, select the video in Files, then choose Format MP3 for compatibility or M4A for smaller size. The shortcut processes the file locally. Make sure your iPhone stays awake. Once finished, you'll find the audio file in Files and can share or move it. Finally, verify the audio file. Play it in Files or import into voice memos or music to check clarity and full duration. If audio is missing, reopen the original video to confirm it has sound. Sometimes screen recordings lack mic audio. If conversion failed, rerun the shortcut and grant shortcuts access to files. Alternatively, try exporting as M4A versus MP3. If permissions and file integrity are fine but problems persist, reboot the phone and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.